Mr. Karzai, here we are sitting in Kandahar, surrounded by tribal elders and leaders. In about a week's time, you're going to take the helm of a new government for Afghanistan, an interim government. The future is about to begin. What is going through your head right now?
It's an exciting time. It's a new beginning for Afghanistan. After many years of disasters and bloodshed and suffering for our people, we have a new opportunity that the Afghan people must grasp, must take, a new opportunity that the world must use to help us. I think Afghanistan will be peaceful, will be stable, and it will be peaceful and stable because the people want it, the Afghans want it. And it will be peaceful and stable because the international community is helping.
You made a decision, a risky decision, during the US bombing to come into Afghanistan to rally support against the Taliban. Did you think you would survive?
When I was beginning my journey from the Pakistan border into Afghanistan, we were 4 people on 2 motorbikes. We gave ourselves a 60% death chance and 40% chance to live, and the 40% won.
And when you came in, what did you have other than a desire to make this work? You didn't have an army, you didn't have arms, you didn't have the equipment. What did you have?
The population, the people, the knowledge that the people are against what's going on in Afghanistan, that the Afghans want dignity and honor, that the Afghans want the terrorists to go, that the Afghans want the terrorists to finish, to be eliminated, that the Afghans do not want the Taliban, do not want the oppression. I knew that.
But then Karzai also had a warning that has now come full circle, with the Taliban back in control following America's chaotic withdrawal in 2021. Afghanistan has once again been left vulnerable and probably the most dangerous and depressing place in the whole world for women and girls, with the deeply misogynistic policies and gender apartheid that have been reimposed by the Taliban.